In this tutorial, we'll show how to export tongue shape analysis values. We have here some raw ultrasonic data, which has already been splined and trimmed using the automatic batch processing. And we've already created a dorsum excursion index, and you can see this plotted with time within this chart. Now you can see that there's quite a lot of noise on this signal, and that can come from a couple of sources. Either the ends, the trimming of the ends is fluctuating slightly, or indeed there are fluctuations in the edge detection or the fitting of the tongue contour. In order to extract the underlying trend, we can create a smoothed version of this analysis value. So we can go up into Options, Analysis Values, and Edit. We can create a maths value, and we'll create a new one here and call it DEI and then SM for smoothed. And we want to base this on the dorsum excursion index, and we want to apply a smoothing filter. So we'll edit the filter. We'll set it to Savitsky-Golay, M4. Now we want a fairly low frequency because the underlying trend is fairly low frequency. So we can try perhaps something like 120 filter width, which gives us about a 12 Hertz cutoff. And if we calculate that, we can now right-click on the chart, go into Edit Charts, and we have a smooth version of the dorsum excursion index, and it's not managed to generate that. So we go back into Analysis Values and recalculate. There we can see the smooth value has appeared. Close that. Let's change the color so that we can distinguish it, and perhaps make it bolder. Oops. Change the color of the smooth version. Let's just change that back. Select this. Okay, and make it bolder. There we go. And if we change this to the axis value, and we want both of these to have a common axis, and then to find the maximum and minimum extents to plot it. And you can see now that there is a smoother version of the dorsum excursion index. This is probably a more reasonable estimate of this dorsum excursion index value. Now to export this, we can just go up into File, Export Data, choose an export file to export it to. We can do this based on annotations, 3 annotations selected. We can do it for a single point per annotation or a range of values per annotation. Let's just do all the ultrasonic frames. And here we've got 2 output columns. One is the time of the sample in the recording, and the other is the smooth version of the dorsum excursion index. This can be found in the analysis values list. Click Execute.